There's your second present. I don't know who it's from, but you'll have to say thank you. Rip it real good. Poke a hole. There's a hole. Right there. Rip it. Take it off. What is that? Dinosaurs? What kind of dinosaur? Do you like it?
Yeah, just get him out of it.
You want to get him out?
Yeah.
You want to play with it?
Yeah, I do.
Grace, what is that?
I do.
A dadu? What is that, Mikey?
I don't know. It's a dancer man.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Then you say thank you.
Thank you.
Say, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Smile at me.
Thank you so much.
Smile at me.
Thank you so much.
Okay, show me your sad face. Pretty please.
I want that.
Okay, we'll get it.